Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Color Club Evolution and Beauty Big Bang nail foils and Maniology MXM022 I think. So here is Color Club's Evolution. You're really not going to see much of it because it's going to get covered up with nail foils. I am going to cap my free edge first and I am going to be just doing one coat. When you're doing nail foils, it is a good idea to put a color underneath them that is similar. That way if you've got any bare spots from the foils, it's not very noticeable. So, and that's why I'm not worried about this being like a full coverage base color. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry all the way down because when you're doing nail foils, you definitely want your base manicure to be completely dry. I mean, like totally dry. And here is the code for this one. This is from my latest Beauty Big Bang nail. I've already got some little pieces cut out. And I am using the Beauty Big Bang nail foil today that I have reviewed in the past. It's a good nail foil. I mean, you know, I don't have any complaints about it. I'm going in, and this one's a little thick. It's a little thicker than what I'm used to, but it's fine. It dries really quick. Once that is completely dry and you know, clear, I'm just going to take one of the foils and kind of mush it down on my nail. And then I'm going to use a dry makeup sponge to really kind of rub it down. Because you want to make sure that thing is sticking all the way, all over the nail. You can use a silicone tool, you can use a cuticle pusher, you can use, you know, all kinds of stuff. You could use woody, and it works. And then when you're happy with it, you just pull it off. So I am going to repeat that process again with this next nail, my ring fingernail. And I love these foils. I thought they were so pretty. They look like an acrylic pour or something. I'm just really digging it. Kind of got all kinds of different patterns in that one sheet. So all the nails are cohesive, but they all look different. Oh, that one didn't stick so well. So I'm going to rub it down with my fingernail. And then I'm going to try to peel it up. There we go. And since these aren't metallic or hollow foils, I'm not going to have to worry about a water-based top coat for them. If you are using hollows or metallics or shiny looking ones, you definitely want to use like a water-based top coat, something like Picture Polish has one, and there's several companies that have them, or just something that you know is water-based. Like a lot of the peel-off base coats are actually water-based, like Peelies or things like that. So there we go. I'm gonna pop that one off. Look, and I love doing these manicures because there's so little cleanup. So like I said, I'm not gonna use a water-based top coat. I'm just gonna go right on in with my Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls and seal this in. You are gonna want to go all the way to the edge and cap your free edge with this to help, you know, make that foil stay on there. Because I have had them lift if you don't get, you know, all the way to the edge with your top coat. Water will get up under there and just kind of disrupt things. Hi Woody, how you doing? Looks like you're doing pretty good. So this would have been the end of the manicure, but I couldn't leave it alone. So we're going to use Maniology MXM022. And this is a new plate. It's from the December Mani-Me box. I didn't do a review or anything because by the time I got mine, everybody had already done them on YouTube. So we just skipped it. This is Pewter Stamping Polish by Maniology. I got my Maniology Monocle Stamper and my Beauty Scraper out. And we're just going to put some like veining over these nail foils. I just wanted a little something extra. You know, a little something. I will be honest, I totally wore it all on its own just like that for a day. But I kept looking at it and I kept thinking, oh, it needs something. So it needed some veining stamping. I am trying to get up some of that off my fingers with the tape. And I'm just going to use, you know, different images. I don't care if it's big or little veining. It's, you know, all going to look good. I'm sure. I hope. So here we go. Get that littlest, shortest nail. And I had a little bit left over, so I'm just going to move it over and use it on the pinky. You can do that sometimes. I like it when you can do that. So here we go with our middle nail. So there we have it. I am going to go in with a piece of tape and get up as much as I can of any mess I've made on my fingers. And most of it's coming up, but not all of it. Some of it's still there. So I'm going to break out my acetone and my cleanup brush. You can use regular nail polish remover for this part. I just prefer quick cleanup, and that acetone just cleans it up fast. It is hard on your skin and your nails though. So now I got to go back in for these spots that were up under my hand. Ta-da! So I will be using the smudge-free top coat over this part. Sorry it's blurry. I was trying to dial it in and hoping it would get cleaned up, but not so much. So I've got the Maniology top coat. I'm going to let it dry. Then we're going to finally top it off with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls again. And I really did like the addition of the silver stamping over this. I thought it looked really good. It worked really well. So there we go. Capping that free edge again. Ta-da! And there is my Mani in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think about it. Let me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.